thanks for joining us today on Exploratory Glory. We are just leaving the city of Izamal. We're going to hop on the Orient bus and we're going to head over to one of Mexico's most famous and historical cities, Merida. Merida is an ancient city. It's also the capital of the state of Yucatan. It's a favorite among history buffs and foodies alike, and for good reason. Join us for the next few days as we explore the beautiful city of Merida. Hey guys, how you doing? Today we are in Merida. Oh, I'm just laughing because I said Merida instead of Merida. Yeah. We rented an Airbnb here. It's really a nice spot, actually. The owner is super nice already. We got the introduction. He seems very attentive, cool guy. He's really assured us that everything here, we can just ask him. He'll get refills, like, you know what I mean, paper towel and stuff. Some Airbnbs, you just come and there's no paper towel, there's no dish soap, there's no cooking oils, salt, pepper, any of that stuff. You have to go and buy it yourself. So if you're staying for like 4 days, it's such a nightmare. Then you end up carrying around the stuff because you're like, I'm not buying this again. Anyways, I'll flip the camera, show you the place. All right, here's the place. It's nice and spacious. Chill spot. We have just arrived on a bus from Izamal. Oh, couple waters in there. Perfect. In case you're thirsty, I like the colors. Pretty colorful, so happy thoughts. Yeah, he supplies the water, all that stuff. Nice little propane cooktop. Yeah, just the basics, but that's exactly what we need. Okay, so rainforest shower. I love these things. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, he's really got everything set up that you need. Yeah, he said he's gonna send us a link to all the... Oh, that's smart.
This is where you are.
Oh.
Lavanderia.
Oh, yeah.
Supermercado.
Usually we'd be looking for a lavanderia. That's a laundromat, but we already done our laundry. The last place had laundry, so that was pretty good. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this place. It was really cheap. I'll put the price on the screen right now. And there is actually a pool outside. Whether we jump in or not is to be decided. It has been a little bit cold here. And by cold, I mean like 19, 20 degrees. Like, you guys are like, shut up, I'm here freezing my nipples off in frickin' wherever, Nunavut. My viewers from Nunavut are freezing their nipples off right now. Anyways, yeah, but for here, 20 degrees. It's a little bit chilly. You should see the locals are just like bundled up in like, do we saw a person with a toque? I'm still in my sandals and I never changed.
No.
I just wear a t-shirt and shorts all the time, even if it's 20. I'm like, come on, guys. We'll be wandering around town. This is a very historical place. We're gonna go on an eating tour. Just, that's what you do down here in these cities. Merida, Valladolid, Izamal, you eat. You wander the streets, you see all the history and stuff, and then after that, you fill your damn yap.
Well, not
What?
much.
Okay, well, I'm going on a diet. I've been on a yo-yo diet this whole trip, actually. I'll eat like healthy for a week or two, and then fall off for a week or two. Yeah, but I'm planning on going strict. Going so strict. You won't even recognize me. I'm going so strict you won't even recognize me. Anyways, stay tuned. So as I said earlier, Merida is an ancient city. It was obviously colonized by the Spanish in the 1500s, but its history goes back much further to the ancient Mayan city of Tijo. Signs of Spanish colonization can perhaps best be seen at Museo Casamonteo. The house was constructed between 1542 and 1549 by Spanish conquistador Francisco de Montejo. Though amazingly well crafted, the facade of the house depicts scenes of horror with detailed carvings of conquistadors standing atop of decapitated heads. This is said to be a representation of the conquering of Mexico. Alright, that's our video, guys. Thanks for watching. This is just our first day in Mérida, and we're looking to explore the entire city. So stay tuned for the rest of the episodes, and toodles.